Do you ever feel embarrassed speaking English? Like you said something and everyone laughed? Well, today, Ali and I will show you the most common mistakes beginners make in English and how to fix them instantly. By the end of this video, you'll speak English more naturally, more confidently, and yes, without any shame.
Hi. I think I made all the mistakes already. Is that okay?
Ali, perfect. You're already halfway there. Mistakes are the best teacher. Ali, first mistake, using very too much. Beginners love this word. For example,
I am very, very tired.
Okay, but let's make it interesting. You can say, I'm exhausted. I'm super tired. I'm completely drained.
Oh, exhausted. Like I ran a marathon?
Yes, perfect. Notice how one strong word beats very plus something every time. Ali, let's talk about prepositions. Beginners make the mistake of using in, on, at wrong all the time. And trust me, it's not just annoying to teachers, it's confusing for everyone around you.
Oh no, my brain already hurts. Can I just say in everywhere and call it a day?
Nope. Imagine if everyone spoke like that. I am in the park at the street on the morning. Total chaos.
Wait, that actually sounds like me.
Exactly. Let's fix it. First, remember, in equals inside something. I am in the car, I live in Paris. On equals on the surface. The book is on the table, I am on the bus. At equals location or point. I am at school, I will meet you at 5 p.m.
Wow, that's a lot. Can we do an example?
Of course. Imagine you are at a party. Where are you standing?
In the dance floor?
Almost. But you are on the dance floor because you're literally on the surface dancing.
On the floor. Hope I don't slip.
See, prepositions can be fun if you imagine them physically. Now let's try another. I'm waiting for my friend. I am...
In the cafe?
Close. Actually, at the cafe. You are at the location. If you were sitting inside, you could also say in the cafe. See? Prepositions are tricky but logical once you visualize.
Okay, my head hurts, but I'm starting to understand.
Ali, this one is classic. Beginners confuse much and many, and every time I hear it wrong, I have a little laugh inside. Don't worry, it's natural.
Oh no, I'm already scared. I might cry.
Relax, let's make it fun. Think of many as things you can count. Countable nouns. Example, books, apples, cars. And much is for things you cannot count. Water, sugar, money.
So I can say I have many apples and I have much apple. Wait, that sounds wrong.
Exactly. Much apple doesn't exist. You need much only for uncountable nouns. So I have much water, correct. I have much apples, wrong.
Oh, okay. I have many apples, but I have much juice. Got it.
Perfect. Let's do a quick mini game. I'll say a noun, you say much or many. Ready?
Bring it on.
Cars.
Many cars.
Correct. Water.
Much water.
Great. Sugar.
Much sugar. Oh, my head.
Exactly. Keep practicing, you'll get it. And remember, countable equals many, uncountable equals much. Ali, here's a funny one. Beginners love adding do everywhere, like unnecessarily.
Do I can do it?
No, stop right there. It should be can I do it? Simple.
Oh, I'm sorry. I do overthink everything.
Exactly. Beginners often say, do I can go to the park? Do she like pizza? Do I am happy? All wrong. Instead, can I go to the park? Does she like pizza? Am I happy?
Oh, wow. I think I used do in every sentence of my life.
Don't worry, Ali. You're not alone. Here's a tip. Use do, does only in simple present questions and never with can or am, is, are.
So no more extra do. Got it. My life just got simpler.
Ali, now the big one. Verbs, especially past tense and past participles. Beginners, panic here.
My brain, it's melting.
Calm down. Let's do an example. Yesterday, what did you do?
I goed to the market.
Oh no, that's a classic. The correct word is went. I went to the market yesterday.
Goed, went. I confuse every time.
Relax. Irregular verbs are tricky. You just need practice. Here's a tip. Learn top 20 most common irregular verbs. Write them, say them, repeat. Soon, your brain will stop saying goed automatically.
Can we make a funny story with them?
Perfect idea. Yesterday, I went to the park, I saw a dog, I took a selfie with it, and I ate ice cream. Easy, see?
Oh, now I understand. Story makes it stick. Yesterday, I went to shop, I bought apples, I drank juice. Funny.
Ali, now this is one of my favorite mistakes. Beginners often translate from their language word for word, and it sounds, let's just say, very funny in English.
Oh no, I think I'm guilty of this every day.
Let's hear an example. What do you say when you are hungry?
I have hunger.
Oh no, that's a classic. In English, we don't say I have hunger. We say I am hungry.
Why? I literally have hunger.
Ali, English is not literal. Some things just have their own expression. For example, I am thirsty, not I have thirst. I am sleepy, not I have sleep. I am 25 years old, not I have 25 years.
Oh, my brain is bending.
Don't worry, Ali. Think of it like English has its own magic formula. You don't need to fight it, just memorize the expressions.
Okay, so I just say I am hungry, I am thirsty, I am sleepy, and don't try to translate.
Exactly. And here's a fun trick. Whenever you think in your own language, ask yourself, is this how a native would say it? If not, find the correct phrase.
Wow, that actually makes learning English feel like magic.
Ali, the next common mistake is sneaky but dangerous, missing a, and, or the.
Oh no, articles again? They're tiny but tricky, right?
Exactly. Let's see some examples. Suppose you want to say you bought an apple. What do you say?
I bought apple.
Almost correct, but it needs an article. You say, I bought an apple.
And because apple starts with a vowel, right?
Exactly. Now, if it was a specific apple you were talking about, you'd say, I bought the apple. Simple rules, big difference.
Oh, articles are like secret ninjas, tiny and visible, but they can mess up your sentence.
Yes, exactly. And here's a fun tip. Use a/an when you talk about any one of something. Use the when you talk about a specific one. Skip articles only for plural or uncountable nouns in general. I love apples. I drink water.
Okay, small words, big power. Got it.
Ali, look at you. From saying I have hunger to I am hungry, from much books to many books, from overusing do to asking questions naturally, you've come a long way.
I feel confident. And the best part, mistakes are not scary. They're actually funny.
Dear viewers, let me give you a secret tip. Learning English is like cooking. First, you might burn a few things, make mistakes. Then you learn the recipe, common rules, and finally, you create something amazing.
And sometimes you taste chocolate instead of salt.
Exactly. Laugh at your mistakes, practice daily, and enjoy the process. Mistakes are not failures, they're stepping stones.
And remember, never forget to make learning fun, or like me, you might just end up speaking spaghetti English.
So if you want to speak English confidently, join us again. Repeat these lessons, practice with friends, and soon you'll surprise yourself.
Yep,
And maybe you'll even make your English teacher laugh, just like me.
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and easy English lessons with Ali and me.
See you in the next class. Don't forget to practice and laugh a little.